Hi, today I'm cleaning a headstone for Rosa Taverner, who died in 1926. Her headstone caught my attention because the only information they had was her name and her year of death. No information as far as the day, the month, or even the day or month for her birthday. And I just decided to just go home and just see what I could find on her. So from what the information I was able to find, Rosa Taverner was born 1887 in the West Indies. I was able to find her living in a home in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania as a servant. So I will continue to dig around and see what else I can find on her. Hopefully there's more.